Hey guys, welcome once again. On today's video, I'll be showing you some of the Microsoft Word shortcut keys that can help you navigate through your work when typing your work. Okay, so I have compiled a list of the Microsoft shortcut keys that can enable you do your Microsoft Word work. Okay, you can also obtain it from Microsoft itself. Um, on this my video, as you can see on my screen, there are so many shortcut keys that we can use. Now we have Control plus X. What do I mean by Control plus X? It says cut the selected items. Assuming you are typing your work on Microsoft Word and you want to cut that word off, you want to cut it off, you can actually use your keypad button where it shows Control CTRL on your keypad button. When you click on that Control, you click on X, alphabet X, and that item, that typing, that word you have already typed, you will cut it off. Now, to also copy the selected item, you still hold the Control key. Then when you hold the Control key, you type in C for cat, alphabet C. Then you copy the selected item, okay, or the selected work. All right. So for you to paste it, you also have to do the same Control. When you hold your Control key, you press V, then you paste the selected item. All right. Now for you to undo all these things you have done, there are two methods you can also use, which is by doing the same thing. You repeat the same process by holding your Control key and pressing the alphabet Z. Then you undo the action that you have already taken by deleting the work or by copying it or by pasting it somewhere else. Now let's take a look at this Control Z. Assuming I copy this work now, I have to hold my Control key here on my keypad. Then I hold Control and I click on X. Did you see that? Did you see what just happened? It has wiped everything here off. Then I want to also undo the same work I did. I will only do that by holding this same Control and pressing the alphabet Z, which is Control key alphabet Z. Wow, this is your work. Okay, we have another method that we can redo this undo by highlighting the work, pressing Control X. Okay, now we only have Control C. There is no more Control X because I have wiped it off. Then if I don't want to use this same short key, which is Control Z, I'll have to go down to my tab. Down here, as you can see, it says undo cut. All right, I will just click on it and I have my work back. So when you are typing and you lose your work, there is no need panicking. There is no need for you to panic. Okay, you don't really have to panic doing your work. Now assuming I want to copy this same work and paste it somewhere, what do I have to do? I highlight the work, highlighting it by placing my cursor right here, right the place I want to highlight. I will click on it once and I will highlight, or I will come to the work and double click and drag. These are two ways I feel like copying my work, or let me say highlighting my work. Alright, it's either I press Ctrl C on my desk, my keypad, on my keyboard, sorry, not keypad, keyboard, sorry for that mistake. So I'll click on Ctrl C on my keyboard, or Ctrl plus insert. That when you press Ctrl, you click on insert on your keyboard. Or I can as well keep my cursor in this form and right click. When I right click, I can do copy. Then how do I paste it? By placing my cursor down here, pressing enter twice, and pressing, either I use Ctrl V for this, or when I place my cursor, I right click and you see the paste option here, and I'll click paste and I have my work. So to undo the action, you already know, you can use Ctrl Z, or you go down to this tab and press undo. You click again, undo. You click again, undo. Okay, so this is how you're going to go with your Microsoft Shortcut, which is Ctrl S to cut and Ctrl C to copy the selected item, and Ctrl V to paste, and Ctrl Z to undo an action. Alright, so moving forward, we also have Alt plus Tab, just to switch between open apps. Alright, assuming I have two apps that I open and I want to switch to the other one, I have to click on Alt here on my keyboard and click on Tab together. Then I can do that. I can also click on alternate F4. Alright, alternate F4, which is the ALT that you see on your keyboard. ALT, alternate F4, to close the active item or exit the active app. Assuming I want to close this particular page that I am in now, I can actually just click on, with my keyboard, I can click on alternate F4 and I'll close this particular work. Alright, so that is how we do all with some other shortkeys that we can perform. There are a lot of shortkeys I have compiled here with me that you can use. We have Windows logo key plus L. So when you hold your window logo key, you press L to lock your PC. Alright, so now we have also window logo key. Then when you hold the window logo key, you press D just to display and hide the desktop. F2 to rename the selected item. Assuming you have an item you want to rename, you just select the item and press F2 to rename it. Okay, so there are other ones we can go through at your own time and just see how all these work. Alright, so for today's video, I'm only going to show you these few shortcuts that you can use. In my next video, I can show you the rest of the shortcuts that we have on Microsoft Word. Okay, so that will be all for today, and thank you and God bless you. If you like what I do, please do like and share my video. And don't forget to subscribe. Subscription is free. Okay, so you subscribe to my channel to get more of Microsoft Word work and Excel. We also teach here on my channel how to use PowerPoint presentation. Okay, and there are a lot of things that I teach on my channel that you can find on my channel. Please do well to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.